Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Telegram on a desktop PC or laptop on Windows 11 or Windows 10. It's going to be the same, okay? So first thing you can go to google.com, okay, and then type Telegram, okay? The first link here, as you can see, this is telegram.org, okay? You got download Telegram desktop. Okay, from here, automatically they did pick up. I got 64-bit of Windows. Okay, I'm gonna click Get Telegram for Windows. So I'm going to save it on the download folder. Click Save. It's up downloading. Now I'm going to open it. Click Open. You right click on the download and you click Open. From here, you choose the language you want. English, in my case. From here, you're gonna choose where you want Telegram to install. So I'm gonna choose my C drive to make it easy to access. I'm gonna do C drive and then OK. This is will be the directory. Gonna be C Telegram desktop. I'm gonna click next. Okay. I'm gonna click next. You're gonna need a shortcut on your desktop. I'm gonna say yes like that. I'm gonna leave it. Go next. Install. It's done installing. I'm gonna click finish. It's gonna open Telegram the same time. Okay, from here you click start messaging. Okay, so you're gonna open your cell phone. Now from my phone, I'm going to open Telegram. Okay, I'm gonna come where is those line R on the right corner. Okay, I'm gonna go to setting. Okay, from setting, you're gonna go to device, scroll down, device. Okay, from here, I'm gonna click link desktop device. Now I'm going to scan this QR code here. Okay, as you can see right now, my Telegram have been linked to my desktop PC. Okay, as you can see here, right? I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe.